A few more of these in central Nebraska. They come and they go very quickly, so we've got these for the next few hours, but then as we get past sunset, these will quickly fade away, and we're just left with mostly clear skies overnight tonight. Just a few passing high clouds. That is it. We will be dry early tomorrow morning. For tonight, we'll say an overnight low near 62 degrees in the capital city, maybe a little warmer out towards Omaha and Nebraska City. 61 Grand Island, 60 in Kearney, maybe even a few upper 50s. I think that's a possibility. In fact, Lincoln bottomed out at 56 degrees this morning. For tomorrow, it should be another very warm day. We'll say 93 degrees in Lincoln, 91 the high in Beatrice, 90 in Omaha. Maybe a touch cooler out towards Hastings and Kearney, but still very warm. And winds should be on the lighter side, eventually transitioning out of the east on Wednesday afternoon, anywhere from 3 to 10 miles per hour. Right now it is 90 degrees in the capital city, 88 in Beatrice, 88 in Hebron, 90 in Columbus, 84 in Kearney, 88 in Grand Island, and 89 degrees in Omaha. But broadening out the view, you can see it's very warm across much of the Midwest and Central Plains, but 68 at Chicago O'Hare. There is a frontal boundary right here, and it's moving this way, off towards the west. We call this a backdoor cold front because it arrives out of the back door from the east as opposed to the front door out of the west. And this is going to approach as we head into tomorrow. This is what the instability looks like right now. This is basically just storm juice. Storms need juice to thrive, so we've just got a little bit of it in Nebraska today. That's why we don't see a lot of storm activity, but you can see a little more right along this front. And as this front continues to approach into Wednesday, well, we see a little bit more of the storm juice right here getting closer to eastern Nebraska. That's a word I never thought would come out of my mouth, storm juice. 12 o'clock Wednesday, you can see a couple of clouds by this point, but then we see more clouds into the afternoon, and you can see some scattered showers and storms acting on some of that instability or storm juice. Mainly a concern in the eastern fifth of the state. The closer you are to the Missouri River, the better chance you have at seeing this. The farther west you go, the lower chance you have of seeing this. Lincoln is close enough to where we can't rule these out. These will continue to move off towards the south on Wednesday. Now, there's an outside chance that one or two of these might be on the strong to severe side along the Missouri River Valley, pretty much from Sioux City, Omaha, towards Falls City on south. This little narrow corridor right here, we might see a cell or two be borderline severe, capable of producing 60-mile-per-hour winds or quarter-size hail. I don't think we'll see a lot of severe weather tomorrow. So we got scattered storm chances for the next couple of days, but then we get to Saturday and we've got another wave of low pressure approaching from the north. So I think in the immediate future, Saturday is probably our next best potential for rain, and then things start to dry out on Sunday. I know Megan's got big plans on Sunday, so that goes well for her. So there's those scattered storm chances on the 10-day outlook. We see a mix of 80s and 90s for highs, and then we continue to drop temperatures off on Saturday, 82 degrees there, 81 on Sunday. Clouds will be diminishing through the day, and then as we get into next week, maybe a couple more storm chances by the middle part of next week.